Hello, little learners. Welcome back to Vocab Builder Hub. Our body is like a wonderful treasure. Every part has a special job, and together, they make us who we are. From the sparkling eyes that see the beauty of the world to the strong legs that carry us on our adventures, each part is a gift to be thankful for. Today, let's explore all the parts of our body in English, from head to toe, and discover the amazing work they do for us every day.
Head, the top part of our body that holds our brain. It's where we have our face and all our sense organs. Hair, the strands that grow on our head, giving us protection and style. Forehead, the front part above our eyes. Eyes, the organs we use to see the world around us. Ears, the organs we use to hear sounds and balance our body. Nose, the part we use to smell and breathe. Mouth, the opening we use to eat, drink, and speak. Teeth, hard structures inside our mouth used to chew food. Tongue, the muscle inside the mouth that helps us taste and talk. Cheeks, the soft parts on the sides of our face. Chin, the bottom part of the face below the mouth. Neck, the part that connects the head to the body. Shoulders, the upper part of the arms that connect to the body. Arms, the limbs we use for lifting, holding, and working. Elbows, the joints in the middle of our arms that let them bend. Hands, the ends of our arms that help us touch, hold, and create. Fingers, the 5 small parts on each hand used for gripping. Thumb, the special finger that helps us hold things firmly. Nails, hard coverings at the tips of our fingers for protection. Chest, the front part of our body that protects our heart and lungs. Back, the rear part of our upper body that supports our posture. Waist, the middle part of our body. Stomach, the part that digests the food we eat. Hips, the sides of our body that help us stand and walk. Legs, the limbs we use to walk, run, and jump. Thighs, the upper part of our legs. Knees, the joints that let our legs bend. Calves, the back part of the lower legs. Ankles, the joints that connect our legs to our feet. Feet, the parts we stand and walk on. Toes, the 5 small parts on each foot that help us balance. Heel, the back part of the foot. Sole, the bottom part of the foot. Our body is an amazing creation, working day and night to keep us alive, moving, and happy. So take care of it, love it, and be proud of it. Because from your head to your toes, there's no one else in the world quite like you. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep smiling, and don't forget to subscribe to Vocab Builder Hub for more amazing lessons.